We're going to launch our division of HVAC. We've done this because we want that in-house. We also, with the HVAC, we're launching a home health report. And what that will do is help you with your maintenance. Preventative maintenance is going to keep your home healthy and your family safe and keep everything running. So as well with the HVAC, we're going to launch our water mitigation division as well. And this will be in direct competition with companies like ServPro and Peerless. If you ever need anything, if you have a pipe that burst or a fire or any kind of disaster, you can call us and we'll be happy to come out and take a look at it and work with your insurance directly and make sure we hold the insurance company accountable and get everything covered that we need to.